Today, the SKYLINE team will safely remove 2 trees because they are dangerously close to the house.
Boots on the gravel, sun on our backs, truck bed full of cutters and a fresh set of tracks. You roll that hose out, fire up the blade, we make a clean line out of every hard day. Trim by trim, we get it right. Dust in the air turns gold in the light. You point, I move, we make it fly. One more pass and the whole place shines. Skyline's here, your yard's next level. Skyline's here, your yard's next level. From trimming hedges to the trees, highest level. From trimming hedges to the trees, highest level. We work in the sun. Now let's go get it done. We work in the sun. Now let's go get it done.
Stop! Yeah, buddy!
SKYLINE Landscaping and Tree Service.